In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on your Shopify store step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, scroll down and click on Settings located at the bottom left corner. Inside the Settings menu, select Store Details or General, depending on your Shopify version. Now, look for the Store Currency section. Here, you'll see the currency currently being used in your store. Click on Change Store Currency to continue. A drop-down list of available currencies will appear. Scroll through the list and select the currency you want your store to use, such as USD, EUR, GBP, or any other supported currency. After selecting your preferred currency, save the changes to update your store settings. Keep in mind that changing your Shopify currency may affect product pricing, reports, and payment settings, so it's a good idea to review your store carefully afterward. If you sell internationally, enabling multiple currencies through Shopify payments can also help customers shop in their local currency automatically. That's it, your Shopify store currency has now been updated successfully. Thanks for watching.